Alright, next drawing we're going to do is the nozzle. Let me do new here. This one is metric, so I got to change out the English folder, go to metric. It's a part. I'm going to do it in millimeters, so it's standard millimeter. Alright, now this one you do revolve. I'm going to do it with the extrude command. So let me do a sketch, select my plane. Alright, circle here. The outside is 60 millimeters. Zoom out, finish my sketch. Extrude, the length of it is 100 millimeters. Alright, now let me sketch on this end. I'm going to cut in the hole on one side. That has a diameter of 28 is the inside. The outside is 40. So I'm going to do a circle, same center point, 40. Then sketch. I'm going to cut, and it goes in. See, the depth there is 20. Alright, I need another one on the far side. So if I mirror, I'll need a mirror plane. So let me do mid plane here and here. Now if I take mirror, select my feature, which is this whole mirror plane, is here, click OK. That takes and mirrors it to that side. Alright, same center point. Inside, the hole that goes the rest of the way through, 28 millimeters. Finish sketch, extrude, cut. I'm going to go both ways. I'm just going to do 100 so it cuts the whole way through. There I have the basic shape. Now there's some holes that are cut through. I'm going to do the ones on the outside here first. So let me, right here's origin. Click on this. This gives me kind of all the planes I start with. Let me start on this plane here. So do the sketch on that one. I'm going to project geometry. Alright, from this midpoint, I'm going to come in 10 millimeters on the end of that. I'm going to make a circle. It is 6 millimeters. Now it's hard to see if I come to view and change the style to wireframe, then I can kind of see the internals. Let me go back. I can finish the sketch. Let me do extrude. Select the circle. I want it to cut the whole way through. So I can change it to cut. Length doesn't really matter. Click OK here. Alright, once I have one of these, there are 6 of them spaced out evenly, radially. So I'm going to use the circular pattern. So I select my feature. I select the hole here. Rotation axis. select the outside surface. There's 6 of them, full 360. Click OK, and it makes them. I can change it to shaded so you can see it here too. Now, on the inside, there is a hole cut through on an angle. So I'm going to draw on a plane that cuts through the middle. I'll draw on that one. Let me go back. Sketch. YZ. Let me change my view back to wireframe. I'm going to come from the front in 30. I'm going to come on a 30-degree angle. So it's measuring from this way. So 90 plus 30 would be 120. 120. Alright, finish the sketch. So we're kind of using a new command here. I'm going to use this line as the path to take a shape along. So if I do another sketch, I want it on the plane that is perpendicular to the one I was just on. So there's a flat plane. I select it. So I'm kind of looking straight down on it. Move it just a little bit so I can see that point. Let me project. Project that. Let me circle. Actually, better yet to keep it straight. Let me get rid of the sketch. I don't like that one. There's an easier way. I'll do it on the front face here. So select there. Now if I do a sketch on that plane, make my circle. The center point is the end of that line. And then the size of these are 4. Finish sketch. So what I'm going to tell it is going to take this circle, take it along this line, take it up along this line. For that, I'm going to use sweep. So it automatically selected my profile because there's only one profile. My path I gotta select. So I click on this line, and it takes it. I don't want to add or join. I want to subtract or cut. Click OK. And then if I change my view back to shaded, that's that angled cut through the side there. Now, this one had 6 going around, this one has 4. So if I go back here to model, circular, select my feature, select my rotation, change it to 4, select OK, and then it's all done. So I save this. Nozzle, new, and there's more options in here, but now I go to drawing. I want to do ANSI, millimeter, drawing. Opens up, do my base. Let me adjust the size of paper to A. Alright, now change the scale to half scale. Right, this shows hidden lines. I'm going to do a section view for one. Bring this in, pull up for my top. Pull up my top, create my ISO. Now I'm going to do section, select my view, line down through, to hold off to the side here. That one's all done. I just have to come back in and add in all my dimensions. See the holes cut through. If you wanted it to match up exactly like it did on the paper, I could do, let me do a section view, another one just so you can see the difference. If I do section view down to the center point, I go out to the center of this circle. It's not giving me a point, but I'll get it close just so you can see. Continue. And then it cut through the top and the bottom and kind of unfolds it. But just the one section view is fine. Just add in all your dimensions and then you're all done with this one. Again, you use revolve and now you used sweep for the first time.